Tap the stars that appear above the characters.
We're going camping. Oh, what a day. Vlad
Tap the sad characters to help them dance again.
I love it.
in the forest with mom and dad. Happy campers feeling glad.
I love it.
Camping fun, camping cheer. Singing, laughing, we're all here. Camping fun, camping cheer. Everyone we love is near.
In the
Oh,
woods,
wow.
we jump and run, looking up at the bright warm sun, telling stories by the fire. Dreams and giggles go higher and higher.
Camping fun, camping cheer. Singing, laughing, we're all here. Camping fun, camping cheer. Everyone we love is near.
In the woods, we jump and run,
I love
up
it.
at the bright warm sun, telling stories by the fire. Dreams and giggles go higher and higher.
Camping fun,
Awesome.
camping cheer. Singing, laughing, we're all here. Camping fun, camping cheer.
Wow,
Everyone we
cool.
love is near.
Cooking mushrooms, fresh and warm. Nature's dreams in
Awesome.
every form. With our family
Well done. You got so many stars.
through the woods, a happy ride.
Camping.
That was awesome. But now I'm thirsty.
How about we make some smoothies?
Yeah, cool.
But we don't have any berries, so let's go pick some first.
Yes, we want to help. Move the slider to open the backpack. Find the right item. Cut the berries and put them in the basket. Oh no! It's the banded hedgehog! Don't let him take our berries! I love it! Well done! You got so many stars!
Now we can make the smoothies. Let's get started.
Yeah! Grab the ice and drag it into the blender cup. Now let's add the berries and some herbs. Oh, wow! Super! Turn it along the arrows to open the lid. Turn the knob to choose a mode. Awesome! Nice! So many stars for you! This is so yummy!
Kids, we need to set up a place where we can relax.
Yes, let's do it now. Sounds fun! Yeah! Cool choice.
Move the slider to clear the branches. Spray the bug repellent on the log. Now it's time to color.
Tap the hammer to pound the log into the ground. Tap the chisel to make the seat.
Kids, you did a great job. How about we go and look for some animals?
Yeah, great idea. Yes. Move the slider to open the backpack. Find the items you need. Move the binoculars to spot all the animals. Yay! Well done. You got so many stars.
Vlad, Nikki, Chris. Let's go to the fun meadow. There's still a lot of fun things to see.
Yes, let's go fast. This is the best. Yeah. Pick a game you